First, enter the settings interface. General. There is an option, check for updates. The PV series has two upgrade methods. We can choose the local upgrade, place the installation package in the corresponding folder, or OTA upgrade, which requires network connection. First, connect to the network. Select Wi-Fi. Connect to a wireless network or hotspot. Once connected successfully, return to the upgrade interface. Click Check for updates under OTA upgrade. If it's already the latest version, there will be a prompt indicating it. If an update is available, it will prompt you to upgrade. Follow the steps to complete the installation.